the queen of DIY. I'm at her house right now. She's getting milk.
Almond milk?
Milk with an E. E-I. I can spell. Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm hanging out with my friend Lauren. What's up, guys? Or you guys may know her as LaurDIY. Wait, how do you do it? LaurDIY.
Nailed it.
She is amazing. She is awesome. And you guys, if you've watched my channel before, you are familiar. We have baked together. But I'm going to be putting her links down below, so go check her out. Show her some love. Subscribe, especially if you're new to my channel, because she's amazing. And she is also, you guys, look at this, the queen of DIY herself. I am hanging out with her today, and you may not know this. We are at her house today because we filmed something over on her channel as well. So link down below, go check that video out. We did things with cake, and today we're doing things with food. Yeah. But we're just gonna be eating everything.
Goals, like this is my ideal video.
I asked you guys what weird cereals I should try, and these were your ideas. So I ordered them, and today Lauren and I are gonna try them and see how it goes. I have tried none of these. Lauren, have you tried any of these?
Poop like a champion? Nope. Pennywise? Nope. I'm so excited for this one.
Me too. I saw my friend Markiplier try these, and I got so jealous. I was like, I've never seen those in a store. I need to order them now. I need them in my life.
I love sugar cereal. Like I love like Lucky Charms. Like if I could just eat the marshmallows from the Lucky Charms as a cereal, like I'm in.
Okay, what do we pick first? I don't even know.
I don't even know. Do we start with like the most tame and then get crazier maybe?
Okay.
This is craziest. For
this
sure,
is crazy.
Right?
So we're gonna save this one.
Yeah, I think we saved that one. Also, what's in the back of this one?
There is a bag of candy that comes.
Have you had these ones?
No.
They're big. They're so much better than regular Sour Patch Kids.
One candy is that?
Yeah,
big?
like one little man is this. My mouth is like doing that thing right before you eat sour candy.
Are you like salivating?
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah.
I'm really salivating a lot. Let's start with something else.
I think this one's gonna be the most normal tasting. I think this one has like a really intense name, but I feel like it's gonna be kind of normal tasting.
Okay, let's try it.
Okay.
So this is like a fiber cereal, and it has a really funny name. It's called Poop Like a Champion. And we're gonna put it to the test right here for you guys. So we'll try it so you don't have to. Okay, let's grab a bowl.
Wow, 64% of your dietary fiber. Put poop on a schedule?
Whoa!
This food should be eaten with at least a full glass of liquid. Eating this product without liquid may cause, oh, just kidding. I thought that was gonna be like a poop thing, a poop
Yeah, me
thing.
too. It's like,
that's just like, don't eat dry cereal.
Yeah, don't eat dry cereal, you could choke.
Yeah.
Oh,
this looks like something my grandparents would eat.
that looks like something you feed a horse or something.
I thought there was gonna be berries in it.
Yeah,
Is this not
too.
misleading?
This looks like.
Oh, here, wait. Hold.
Hey.
Matt,
Oh
for
yeah.
boys.
Hey Matt.
Poop for
Hi
boys.
Dane. Hi Dane. Hey boys. How you doing? We're just eating poop. Poop like a pro. I mean, poop like a champion. Like a pro.
Like a professional. That actually sounds better though. They messed up. That was a missed opportunity for the alliteration.
Poop like a pro.
Poop like a pro.
What is like? I feel like we feed this
I
to
want to
goats.
smell it. Yeah, right? It looks like goat chow.
Do you think it just smells like straight up cardboard? Because I used to eat
Kind
this
of.
really good kashi cereal that had a lot of fiber, but it tasted like cardboard. So I'd have to throw honey in it and berries.
This one's terrible. This smells like cardboard. You're so right. That's so accurate.
Literally has the same smell, you guys, as the box. Like everyone like this. This actually smells better.
I'm only gonna put a little bit in because I don't want to have to commit to eating a lot of it.
Okay. I'm just gonna eat a lot of it because, you know, we're just gonna give it a go.
Also, I already pooped today, so it's like we already pooping like a pro.
Okay, we're good. Okay, we already have a schedule, but this is just, maybe we'll be ahead of schedule.
These look like the types of cereals that get really soggy real quick.
Oh yeah, do you like soggy cereal or do you have to eat it right away?
Crunchy.
Me too.
Crunchy.
Yeah, we gotta go move quick here. It's not great, but it tastes better than it smells.
It managed to get soggy before it even like touched the milk.
It gets soggy real fast. There's no protective sugar layer. There's no honey layer.
You know what this tastes like? This tastes like a whole wheat, really boring cracker.
Oh yeah, it does.
Right?
Oh, nailed it. That's it. Okay.
That might be the worst cereal I've ever had. I think we need some sugar now, right?
Yeah.
Did you see this movie?
I didn't.
Oh, I mean, I was forced into it. I wasn't really like down to see it, but I got forced into it.
Okay,
for sure.
so this is Pennyways cereal, and for those of you who don't know, this is the clown from It, the scary movie It.
I feel like this looks like a Fruit Loop. Oh, these are large.
Those are huge.
Right? Those are huge.
They're like massive Fruit Loops. What do you think the flavor is gonna be?
Oh, just cardboard, just straight cardboard.
What do you think it's gonna be?
Oh, just kind of smells like fake sugar. Like I can't pinpoint a flavor.
I know, it's really light.
These are so big.
They're also like stuck together.
Oh yeah, we love a little preservative stickiness. Oh, it smells like Trix kinda. Raspberry?
Yeah.
Wait, this is kind of bad.
The aftertaste is terrible.
It's just bad.
It tastes really good at first.
At first
and then
you're like,
the
oh, this is
aftertaste
berry.
hits you.
Oh my god, why is it so bad after? You know what the trick is? You just keep shoveling it into your mouth, new bites, so you never get to the aftertaste.
Here's the aftertaste.
Honestly, I would rather eat the goat food than this one, I think.
Same.
Right?
I was thinking the same thing because the aftertaste is so bad. At least the goat one didn't leave, you know, in my mouth.
I think there's a toy in it. You want to try and find it?
Where?
Oh,
Can we find the toy? I mean, this is the question.
Hot topic, pocket pop exclusive. We need it.
Where?
Oh,
Toy for the
I found it.
Oh my gosh, this is so creepy. Where are your DIY queen scissors? Look how pretty they are. And the metal. Look.
Wow, you're like
Rainbow.
the best like I should
my
hire you
God.
for commercials.
Matches my freaking outfit.
What? Oh my god, what the heck?
He's
His
creepy.
body is so tiny.
He has a huge head.
Oh, a huge head.
Can he even stand up?
Oh!
You did it, you did it. If you eat the whole thing of cereal, you get this creepy collector's
Edition.
toy.
Let's go to the next one.
Next.
Okay, so these ones, I have high expectations for it looking like chicken and waffles.
I want it to taste like chicken and waffles because I had a dessert the other day that it was supposed to be chicken and waffles. It was supposed to be a chicken and waffles pie. Like a sweet savory pie.
And it tastes like
it was just crazy.
Chicken and waffles is not a thing in Canada.
It is not?
No.
Well, it's never gonna taste good there. Here.
Do you normally milk first?
No, I just accidentally did.
I was like, Ro, we need to talk about this.
No, I don't. I really don't.
Oh, is there chickens? Are these Frosted Flakes? The chickens look, okay, the chicken and waffles, A+. Look at this one.
Chicken wings.
They're chicken. This one looks so good.
They're shaped like little chicken wings.
Bro, this smells like syrup.
Oh, that's it.
Right? It smells good.
It smells so good.
Okay.
Oh,
my
this
God.
is really promising.
This is so promising.
I'm getting really excited about this one. Oh, please
Ready?
be good. Please be good. I don't know how I feel.
Me either.
Is it salty?
Yeah, you're right.
It's trying to mix sweet and savory, but it is kind of odd.
I think I like it. I think I'm in.
Okay, this is an in-between for me. It's very bizarre. But this tastes more like chicken and waffles than that pie I had. That pie I had was just fail.
I think I like this. I'm in. You know what? It's a Canadian in me that like tastes the syrup. I'm like, I'm home.
You're like, it's good. Approved. Winner, chicken waffle dinner. Breakfast.
Are we doing the Bootios?
So this one is like a WWE wrestlers made this cereal. This is their cereal. And this is the 3 of them on the box. And they're so cute. They dress up like unicorns.
Wait, Bootios, they make sure you ain't booty. What do you mean booty?
I don't know, but look at all these marshmallows. I thought you would love this because like Lucky Charms.
Oh, no, I'm
Look what
in.
they have. They have a star. They have a smile. This is supposed to look like a unicorn, but it kind of looks like a blob. And on the back, what?
Oh, that's cute.
We can dress up like them.
Oh, how to dance like Big E. We should do that after.
It has how to dance. Are you
Got a
kidding?
dance tutorial back there.
Are you kidding? On the side of the box, how to dance and an outfit? Things need, give me those scissors. Things need to happen. Things need to happen. Look at all these. This is, I think this is gonna taste good.
I think so too.
Okay, here, you pour this one, and I'm gonna, oh my gosh, it's gonna be great.
Ooh, the, what is this supposed to be?
A rainbow heart. Kind of looks tie-dye though.
This looks like a block of cheese. Also, these unicorns, what the?
It looks so funny.
In what world, Bootio? It almost looks like an ice cream cone kind though, right?
It does look more like an ice cream cone. Well, can I have some too?
You may.
Bootios for the rose, please. It doesn't taste like Lucky Charms.
You know what?
I was expecting it to, and it doesn't. It's coffee.
Oreos are killing me. I think the cereal tastes healthier.
What's making it taste so healthy? Got a lot of vitamins in here. Whole oat flour. Okay, well, at least we got this. Okay, I'm gonna cut this out with these queen scissors right here. How do I look? Am I ready to wrestle? Would you like believe this?
You look like you're ready to kind of like spear someone, to be honest. This is real, like
Is it pokey?
It's like an eyeball hazard.
Okay, well, let me see what you look like with it on. Oh, pretty cool. Look at this little unicorn over here. Okay, we're gonna put this cutie over here. Hi, Moose. Come here, Moose. Moose. Here. Hey, little kitty. Okay, here's Moose, everybody.
Hi, Bubba.
He's so cute. Okay, he had to say hi. Okay, here you go.
He looks so big when you hold him, bro.
All right.
Our last one.
I brought out the big bowl.
Yeah, we saved the biggest one.
Because this is for the candy cereal. I'm so excited. Okay, hopefully we have saved the best for last.
I'm so excited for you to try a giant Sour Patch Kid.
Yeah.
Sour then sweet. How do we feel about the whole sour plus milk situation? That's a weird combo, right?
Ooh, I mean, I never thought about it before, and that's actually a really good question.
That's a super weird combo.
Sour milk is usually not good. That's like it's spoiled. So how are they gonna do this?
But
oh, Lauren, now I'm like freaking out. Like it's gonna taste like moldy milk, maybe?
I don't know. Moldy milk is a special type of.
Yeah, it's happened to me in college before. I learned really quick what bad milk smells like because I had it. Oh, here we go. Here we go. The freshness contained.
I like that they're the same size. These are the best. Like, hands down, the best ever.
Okay, I got a blue one.
See how big they are?
Ah! Gotta do a taste test, of course.
It's so good. Oh god, so sour.
Oh! Oh my god. It's good. I like right when the sour wears off.
Yeah, me too. And then you're like,
yeah.
come back to life a little bit.
And it's like so good. Okay, I'm so ready. I'm so ready. They're so cute. They're adorable. They look like little Sour Patch Kids.
That's cute.
More.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What are we doing? How do we
Okay, load me up, girl. Just my whole bowl. Just fill it in there. Just.
Oh my god, they
I'm
smell
ready.
sour. They smell sour. Look at these.
Look at all of these. Ooh, looking good, looking good.
Oh my god. Wait, should we try a dry one?
Yeah, I'm gonna try a blue one so I can. Why is it so good? Why is it so good?
Wait, okay, but it's only sour for like a hot second. Like, not enough that it's gonna be weird, I think.
It's like,
oh my god, I think it's gonna be great.
Okay, I'm going fast. I don't want any soggy.
Oh my god,
Okay, here we
ready?
go. Okay. It's really sour.
It's really sour.
It's sour.
I definitely don't not like it.
I like it. It's just really sour. I maybe should pour a smaller bowl. I think I just need a smaller amount. This is a lot. Because there's not like regular cereal and then these are sprinkled in.
No.
All of this. So it's just a lot of sour. Oh, this is the coolest, weirdest cereal I've ever had. Oh, it's so weird. Oh, but I like it.
It's so weird.
I'm so conflicted.
They also get like sour at different times.
So out of all the cereals we tasted today, which one's your favorite? We've got Pennyways, we've got Chicken Waffles, we've got Sour Patch Kids, we've got Bootios, and we've got Poop Like a Champion.
Oh, you know what? Honestly,
So hard.
the chicken and waffles one was so good. Like, this one's also good, but I don't think I could eat a whole bowl of this, and I love sugar.
I mean, they nailed it with the sour flavor, but it's so sour. I just want a couple.
It's so weird.
It's really weird.
What a weird sensation.
Let us know in the comments down below which cereal was your favorite. I think we have a couple ties. We like the chicken and waffles one, and then I like this just because of how weird it is and how sour it is, and it's actually kind of tastes like a Sour Patch Kid in
really
cereal
does.
form, and they even look like it. Like
They're so cute.
they nailed this.
They nailed
It's just really sour. I don't know if I can eat a whole bowl of it, honestly. It's kind of like I couldn't eat a whole bag of these. Lauren's like, maybe she.
I think I probably could. Maybe
All right, that does it for trying weird cereal flavors. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and a big thank you to my friend Lauren. Lauren, thank you.
Oh my gosh, thank you. Thank you for feeding me lunch.
I had so much fun. And again, we did a video over on her channel, so link down below, go check it out, and she's amazing, she's awesome. Also go subscribe, show her all the love. And if you like to see us try weird cereal flavors, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, click subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. All right, thanks again, you guys, bye-bye. Bye. And if you'd like to watch any other videos, you can click up here.
Or you can click up here.
Yeah, that's right, or over there.
My mouth feels
Or over
weird.
here. Me too.
Like the roof of my mouth feels weird.
Oh my gosh, ready for this?
Oh my god.
A blue and a blue.
I thought that was for me. I was like, I'm not putting that in my mouth.
The candy is definitely sour.